దివ్యాత్మ స్వరూపులారా, embodiments of divine Atma.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Sadhana Aradhana 2024, Day 28, April 21st. Remove distress through acts of random kindness. ARK. ARK. Acts of Random Kindness is the motto for this day. Expressing ourselves through acts of random kindness, a spontaneous flow from the heart, unplanned. We must be so inclined to adopt tolerance, fortitude, and equanimity. Inclination is the deciding factor for expansion of consciousness to adapt to the loving feeling of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. If we are alert and aware enough, the opportunities to serve are many. A visit to an orphanage or a home for the aged or an animal shelter. Helping an elderly or a sight-impaired person to cross the road, or giving food to the hungry, buying school books for a child in need, or a simple compliment to lift someone's spirit. Feeding a homeless animal or buying medicines for those who require, provisions for one's financially challenged, to running errands for an elderly person, to being a patient listener to someone's worry. Something as simple as a smile can brighten someone's day, taking depression away. Spread spontaneous joy, fulfill Swadharma, and awaken to Satya. Jai Sai Ram. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Jiva Sukhino Bhavantu. Santushti for Samasta Shrishti.